Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious chicken stuffed chile poblanos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. Here I have my 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into small cubes. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of oil and season it with salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, and black pepper. Just going to make sure that everything gets well mixed. And once we have that, we can set it to the side so we can prepare our peppers. Okay, so here we're going to be roasting our cleaned chile poblanos. Okay, so once our peppers are nice and roasted all around, we're going to be transferring them to a container or Ziploc bag. Make sure to cover them and allow them to sweat for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we can get ready to peel our chile poblanos. Okay, so once we have peeled our chile poblanos, we're just going to set them to the side so we can cook our chicken. Alright, so here I have my pan over medium-high heat. It's nice and hot. Now we're going to be adding our chicken and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Make sure to do this step in batches so like that you don't overcrowd your chicken. After 3 minutes, my chicken is fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. And now we're just going to remove it from the pan and repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Okay, so once we have cooked all of our chicken, reduce the heat to medium-low. And now to our pan, we're going to be melting our 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and once the butter melts, add 2 minced garlic cloves and 1/4 of an onion. Just going to mix it. Scrape the bottom of your pan so like that you remove all of the burn bits. Okay, and now just saute it for a couple minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, add your corn. Make sure to drain it. Mix it and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Okay, after the minute, add the cream cheese and just allow it to melt. Once the cream cheese melts, add the sour cream. And just mix it in. Now here we're going to add our chicken broth. Just mix it. Okay, along with that, our 1 cup of heavy cream. Just going to season it with a little salt and black pepper and just bring it to a simmer. Alright, so once our sauce comes to a simmer, it should have thickened up. So here you're going to taste it for salt and see you need to adjust it. For me, mine is perfect. So now slowly we're going to add our queso Oaxaca and just allow it to melt. Okay, so once the cheese melts, we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and allow it to continue cooking. Meanwhile, we can stuff our chile poblanos. Okay, now we're just going to grab our poblano, create a slit, and stuff it with some queso and medium cheddar cheese. And along with that, our chicken. And just repeat with the rest. Okay, now top it with the sauce. Okay, and lastly, we're just going to top it with some more queso Oaxaca. And now we're just going to place our chile poblanos in our broil for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our chiles are done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, so I'm going to be serving with the side of white rice. Just going to grab the sauce. Create a bed for our chile. Now grab the chile and place it on top. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. My whole family loves it, and I promise you, you are too. So I hope you get a try and enjoy it just as much. I am so ready. I like to eat these ones with tostadas. But let me tell you that I am so ready. This is everything I love in one bite. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. Everything's just so perfect. From the crema, the chicken, the poblano, and of course the cheese. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious chicken stuffed chile poblanos. I hope you guys are enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.